Welcome viewers, if still you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and also click the bell icon to get technology updates regularly on this JP Infotech channel.
Hi, in this video we are going to see about a Python project which is entitled as Predictive Analysis for Big Mart Sales Using Machine Learning Algorithms, which is an IEEE 2021 conference paper. So before seeing the execution of the project, let me brief about this project. So basically in this project, the authors have proposed a concept of identifying the product sales which is happening in the Big Mart, which is a chain of retail stores, using some different kinds of machine learning algorithms. So the authors have proposed a predictive model using various kinds of algorithms like XGBoost, linear regression, polynomial regression and ridge regression techniques for forecasting the sales of business on each, such as Big Mart. Here we are not going to implement the same algorithm as mentioned in the base paper. So as our proposed concept, we'll be implementing the decision tree regression algorithm, and the data set is the same as mentioned in the base paper. And here you can see the data set which is taken from the Kaggle. So let me show you that data set. So this is the data set that is referred to the data, that is IEEE base paper. So we are going to use the same data set which consists of train data and test data. So in project source code, in the model folder, you can see both the train and test data. So in the train data, you can see all the fields except the, here you can see the item outlet sales, but in test data you can see the sales value is not given. So here you can see item outlet sales, all other things are same, but here in test data you can see that item outlet sales will not be available, and we'll be finding out this item outlet sales for all this data set. And coming to the data set description, so here you can see the attribute information that is available in the data set, that is item identifier. It is like a unique product ID for each product, an item weight, how much the weight is, an item fat content, whether it contains like low fat or high fat, like that, an item visibility. So this is like how the product is placed in the supermarket or stores, like that. So how the visibility is happened in it, and what is the type of the item, so which commodity belongs to, like that. Then item MRP, then outlet identifier. So each outlet has some ID for like items, like that, outlet identifier. And outlet establishment here, when the outlet is open, like that. Then outlet size, though how much square feet the size is like. Then outlet location, whether it is located in the tier 1 city, tier 2 city, like that. An outlet type, whether it is a supermarket type or grocery type, like that. And final is the item outlet sales, how much sales is being done. So this is the main concept of the base paper. So now let us see the execution of the project. So first go to the command prompt and type cd and type the and paste the location where the project is available. Now type python app.py, and now you can see the URL. Copy this URL, go to your browser. So let me go to Google Chrome browser and paste the URL. There you can see the home screen or welcome screen of the project. So this is developed in Flask web framework, and here you can see the login. So here this login is a static one, not a dynamic one, because we have not used any database in this project, as it is a machine learning based project. So we have not used any database. So just you can enter the username and password as admin and click login. So once the login is successful, it will be navigated to the upload dataset part. So here in the upload dataset part, you need to choose the dataset. So here I have given data.csv file, just select it. So you need to click upload to train the system. So just click upload. So once after clicking upload, the dataset will be uploaded and it will be previewed in the next form. So in the preview dataset, you can see the dataset that is available, that has been uploaded. Here you can see the attributes information, that is item identifier, item weight, item fat content, item visibility, item type, item MRP, outlet identifier, outlet establishment here, outlet size, outlet location type, outlet type, item outlet sales. So as mentioned in the waste paper, these attributes are being loaded and previewed here. You can just scroll down till the end of the page and you can see the complete data set has been loaded over here. And can see which is around 4599 dataset records, and then you need to click to train or test button. So once after clicking the click to train button, you can see the training is finished message. It means the system is ready to predict the value. So just click OK. Now it will be navigated to the sales prediction part. So here you can predict the sales. Let me show you with few scenarios. So few cases I'll be showing you. Other cases you can check from the data set which is being trained over here. So let me show you few cases. So first case is like, let me check with the item type as diary. Here you can see the item types is being given. So here let me check with the diary, and item weight is like 9.3 and item MRP is 249.8092 and item visibility is 0.016047 and item fat content is low fat and outlet establishment here is 1999 and outlet size is medium. Outlet location type is tier 1 and outlet type is supermarket type 1. And for this case, let me check the prediction value. Just click predict and here you can see the prediction result is around 3735. So if you just see the data set, so this is the first data which I have checked. You can see which is around 3735. The exact data has been predicted over here. And now let me check with some other case. So let me go with soft drinks and item weight is around 5.92 and item MRP is 48.2692 and item visibility is 0.019278 and item fat content is regular. Outlet establishment here is around 2009. Outlet size is medium 1 and location type here is tier 3 and outlet type is supermarket type 2. And let me click predict. So here the values are around 443 and which is also the same as the train data. And now let me check with some other data. which is Strachey Foods, which consists of item weight 13.65 and item MRP is 114.7834. Item visibility 0.013036 and fat content is a regular one. Outlet established year is 2004 and outlet size is small and location type is tier 2 and outlet type is supermarket type 1 and let me click predict, and the value of the predicted is 3455. And also, as I said you that initially you can also check the values that is been available for the test data. So for that you can just go to the Jupyter notebook and you can load the file. So here you can see that is available in the model folder. So here in the end you can see the results for the test data. So here you can see the values that is available for the test data, which consists around 5680 data set records, and you can see the result for all this here. Now the next one is the chart part. So this is a static part. As I said, the information is not being stored in any database here. So this is this chart data is a static one which is taken from the dataset record that we have trained up with, which consists of dairy products around 2300 and fruits and vegetables which consists around 2290, scratchy foods around 2400, breads around 2000 and snack food is around 2260. And at last is the performance analysis. So in the performance analysis you can see the mean absolute error is 0.31, mean squared error is 0.53 and R square score is 0.9596, accuracy score is 0.95636. And this is all about the project predictive analysis for big mart sales using machine learning algorithms. And thank you for watching.